The Warren Buffett Way. Do you know the philosophy of one of the richest men on the planet with investments in the capital market? Warren Buffett is named several times as one of the 15 richest people in the world by Forbes magazine and has a fortune estimated at $92.4 billion. Currently, investment chains are based on actions of almost immediate return. However, one of the most successful men in the economy reveals the most important principles for his entrepreneurial rise. So, how will you, the investor, know how to evaluate stocks with such varied fluctuations? Start now to develop consistent skills for valuing companies and stocks in this volatile market with the summary of the book The Warren Buffett Way. Main ideas of the book The Warren Buffett Way. Here are the most important insights studied by the author about Berkshire Hathaway and also about Warren Buffett during Hagstrom's 20 years of research. Business principle. It consists of evaluating the product or service itself, its quality. Management principle consists of observing who is responsible for the business. Financial principle. It consists in projecting the profitable perspective. Market principle consists of estimating the value of the product to buyers. Business principles. These are the characteristics that the business must attend to realize the purchase. Be simple and understandable. Have a consistent history of operations. Have favorable long-term prospects. Management principles. These are the characteristics that employees and managers must present. Rationality. Transparency. The institutional imperative. Financial principles. The decisions from an economic point of view. Return on patrimony. Profits of the owner and profit margins. Premise of $1. Market principles. These are the external characteristics observed on the services or products offered. Determine the value of the business. Buy at an attractive price. Anatomy of the long-term price.